All right, guys, here is our lesson 29 phonics lesson. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? The class was busy with the project. Our first high frequency word is busy. That means you're doing a lot and you don't have a lot of time. Let's read the next high frequency word sentence. Ready? They will build a new house. Our second high frequency word is build. When you make something, you build it. Our last high frequency word is, let's read it. Read the sentence. Ready? The students built a robot. The last high frequency word we have is built. Built means you've already done it. You build it now. You built it yesterday. All right, let's review our high frequency words. Ready? Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Built. B-U-I-L-T, built. Often. O-F-T-E-N, often. For. F-O-U-R, for. Mrs. Capital M-R-S, period, Mrs. Toward. T-O-W-A-R-D, toward. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Whose. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose. Guess. G-U-E-S-S, guess. I. E-Y-E-I. One. W-O-N, one. Head. H-E-A-D, head. Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Built. B-U-I-L-T, built. True. T-R-U-E, true. Miss. Capital M-I-S-S, miss. Women. W-O-M-E-N, women. Mr. Capital M-R, period, Mr. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Mrs. Ms. Capital M-S, period. Good job. Now we are going to write some of our high frequency words and practice them. Our first word is ago. I was born long ago. And this is a high frequency word that we have been practicing spelling, so we should know how to spell it. A G O. And let me fix my A. It did not like that. Hold on. A G O, ago. Our next word is kind. K I, hold on. I N D. Hold on. That's a D. All right. The next word we have is mind. M I N D. It loves to do that for my D. There we go. And the last one is most. M O S T. Good job. Excellent job on your high frequency words.